So in case you're watching this on YouTube, okay, this is a recorded version of the live stream, okay, that I made on OB Exchange. All right. So, um, this live stream is going to be focused on hot news, okay, hot news in crypto. Okay, let me put the text here. Yeah, hot news in crypto world. Yeah, hot news in crypto world, and that's exactly what we're going to be focusing on today. Okay, but let me start from here. Okay, this may be very useful to you. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this link. Look at this. Crypto reality TV show in partnership with Coinmarketcap. Okay, apply with your project details. Okay, yeah, that's the news. All right, so I'm gonna go now. Okay, and let us open the link. This is a very important news because this is gonna be the first ever crypto reality TV show. Okay, that's gonna be the first ever. Okay, so something like this. Look at this. Okay, yeah. If you'd like to apply for this, these are things you have to do. Look at this. Are you a founder or CEO sitting on the next huge crypto or NFT project, or ready to take on your industry experts? Right. So confident you could go toe to toe with our killer whale judges in front of millions of viewers and live to tell the tale. They will need you on the show. Okay. Then you hit the apply button. Okay. And this is the application details right here. So fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, your address, probably your wallet address. Okay. This wallet address will be used to check your submission status. Okay. Can you see? Okay. So, there also your last name. Where did you hear about Scalar Wave from? Okay. The project name, project type, it could be like coin, token, or NFT. Okay, coin is if you have your own blockchain. Okay, that's a coin. But if you're building your crypto on another person's blockchain, that is either token or NFT. Okay, so uh, your category is here. You know, collectibles, decks, DeFi games, AI, marketplace, social entertainment, name and order. So if your project does not actually fit into all of these categories, then you kindly click on order. All right. So your project website should be there. Your project tagline should be here. Okay. Then your project description, social links, Twitter, Discord, okay, Medium, YouTube, these are things that you should have, on this page. Okay. So they click on confirm that I'm acting on behalf of the project with full legal permission. I agree to receive information about Killer Whale by Elo Lab and selected programs. So if you like and click on all of these things, okay, then you move on. Then your submission has been made. All right. So the next thing you wait for, okay, is an email for them that shows that you've been able to make it to this round, to the second round. Okay. So you want to swim with the shark tank. Okay. You want to swim with the shark, with the killer whales, and see what you can make from that. And the good thing is that, you can probably make some fortune by actually making it to the by making it to the final of the TV show, because your project will be visible to the rest of the world with millions and millions of viewers around the world. Okay, even if you don't win entirely, okay, you must have gotten the right visibility for your project. Okay, if even if you don't win, you must have gotten the right attention, the right visibility for your project. And if you probably make it to the first, you probably make it to the first edition of this show ever. Okay. So what you notice is that you're going to be, you're going to have this record as one of the first guys that attended the Killer Whale reality TV show. Okay. So that's a great thing. Okay. So, uh, apply to the reality TV show, to the, let me say, crypto reality TV show on behalf, yeah, on behalf of your project, right? So you might just be lucky, okay? You might just be lucky to be able to do that, okay? So If you check here, the link to apply is in the Telegram channel here. Okay, this is the Crypto Niche Telegram channel. So if you like to join the channel, you should just, search with this word, like, because unfortunately I cannot post the link right here. Okay, so you can just search for, let me say, um, Crypto Niche, okay, underscore Hangouts. All right, so look at this. Crypto niche underscore hangout. You can even use ads if you want. Okay. So crypto underscore hangout. That is where the link is. All right. So then you should be able to get that link in the channel and apply for this opportunity immediately. All right. Immediately. So, aside the channel, you have a group. Okay. You have a group on Telegram also. Okay. So let's have a look at the group. Okay. This is the group right here. Then we have a couple of news, White House pushes for punitive tax on crypto mining. Man, that's going to be counterproductive. Okay, so I'm going to copy this link now. And I'll go back. Okay, I'll go back and paste this right here. Okay, these are hot news in crypto. Okay, so White House pushes for punitive tax in crypto mining. All right, don't sell my personal information. Okay, a punitive tax, tax in crypto mining. The question right now is that why should punitive looks like punish. Okay, it looks like punish. So if you're just joining us, guys, hit the like button, hit it very hard. Okay, hit it very hard. And also don't forget to follow me on Hobby. Okay, because at the top of this live stream, you see a plus follow button. Okay, so kindly hit that follow button now and follow me now. Okay, and follow me now. Okay, we are one family here. Okay, and let's enjoy love together, right? Okay, so why would you punish crypto mining? Okay, it doesn't make much sense to me because this is the Biden administration is campaigning for a tax-free sort. In the recent federal budget proposal, advocated that crypto miners pay an amount equal to 30% of their energy cost. Wow, that's insane. 30% of their energy cost. So US President Joe Biden is looking to impose a punitive tax on crypto mining operation for the harms they impose on society. Okay, come on, what harm do you guys impose on society? Alright, crypto are actually consuming as much energy as car manufacturers, as shoe manufacturers, and others. Are they? Okay, the administration's blog, crypto is not even consuming up to 10% of what our banks are consuming in terms of energy. So the administration's blog entry made the case for a US tax equal to 30% of the mining firm's energy cost, an unusual industry-specific penalty. Can you see that? Unusual industry-specific penalty that could threaten the profit of such businesses. Currently, crypto mining firms do not have to pay for the full cost they impose on others in the form of local environmental law, higher energy prices, and the impact of increased greenhouse gas emission, okay, on the climate, according to the CEA description of the levy known as digital asset mining energy tax. Okay, it could be digital asset mining punishment tax, something like that. So while other energy intensive industries would be similarly saddled with the new tax, the CEA contends that crypto mining does not generate local and national economic benefits, typically associated with businesses using similar amount of electricity. Okay, so you guys are not actually seeing the benefits of crypto, right? But, but this is used for local and international settlements, just like our banks are doing. Okay, so the Biden administration first proposed the excise tax in March 9 documents published by the US Treasury Department. The so-called Green Book lays out the administration's proposal. Okay, this is going to actually push a lot of miners out of the US. Okay, that they go to a country that really appreciate what they're doing, a country that is crypto minded friendly. Okay, So crypto mining friendly countries might actually be another thing. Okay, so some of the largest US mining firms include Riot Platform, Marathon Digital, which is Mara, okay, Cypher Mining, Greenwich Generation, which is Gray, BitDeer, and Clean Spark. Okay, so these are the top US mining firms. All right, so as you can see, this tax is going to affect the US economy, okay, in one way or the other, okay, because obviously it's going to affect because um, what you're saying is that you are showing them the door. Like, come on, guys, we don't want you in our country. Just leave now. Okay, that's exactly what you're saying. All right, just leave now. We don't want you. Leave. That's what you're saying. Okay, when you impose such uh, law, such tax law on them because they are mining, okay, because they are mining, okay, so that looks unfair, okay, because there are countries that are actually going to encourage this, okay, and they'll be forced to move to those countries, okay. Um, all the basic infrastructure that exists in the US also exists in those countries, okay. Talking about the 24 hours power supply, okay, talking about um, the, and high-speed internet, okay. Then when they give crypto companies an opportunity, you know, to mine without imposing a punitive tax on them, okay, then they're able to, migrate from the US to those countries. And since a very long time, the US has been really hostile to crypto. Okay, okay, the Democrat has really been hostile to crypto. Okay, and even the Democrats are a little bit relaxed when it comes to that, passing crypto laws. They are kind of crypto friendly than the Democrat. Right? So that is truly a punitive tax right there. Okay, let's have a look at Celsius Network. Okay, I'm going to copy the link now from this group. All right, then I'll go to the search box and I will have a look at it. What's up with that? If you can recall, okay, Sessions they actually went bankrupt. I think last year. Okay, they went bankrupt. These are part of the issues that we had, in the crypto world, then. Okay, the issue was like I had a lunar crash. Okay, I think FTX collapse was this year, if I'm not mistaken, probably this year or late last year. So we had a couple of lending platform, they kind of went bankrupt. Okay, and the Celsius is a decentralized financial platform like CeFi, not DeFi. Okay, so they kind of went bankrupt also. Okay, so Celsius seeks to fold UK affiliates into bankrupt US operation. Can you imagine that? Okay, so this move could strengthen customer claims against the cryptocurrency mining business house in UK. Okay, strengthen customer claims against crypto mining business house in the UK. Okay, so like this, when you see this kind of move from top crypto firms like this, okay, it gives people to say, oh, crypto is a scam, crypto is uh is vaporware, crypto is nothing, it's no. So that is a challenge, right? That is a challenge. So the lawyers for Celsius Network LLC are seeking to fold a UK affiliate into the company. Okay, a move that could strengthen the hand of the firm's retail customers in their battle with institutional shareholders over the Bitcoin mining business and other asset housed in the affiliate. Okay, so that's another news that you should have a look at. Okay, so let's have a quick look at another one. Okay, so this is talking about Bitcoin. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, now go back here. Okay, and then we have a look. Okay, so Bitcoin sags after its longest streak of monthly gains. Okay, Of course, you can see this on the chart. Okay, let me go to Bitcoin chart here. Okay, let me copy this for instance. See, so I'm gonna go to Bitcoin charts. Okay, crypto. Then I'll go here. Let me see if I can paste this here. All right. So look at the Bitcoin charts. This is hourly charts. So let me switch to daily candles. Okay, let me switch to daily candles. You can see after like some months, look at this. Okay, let me even switch to weekly because that's going to make much sense. All right. So look at this: February, March, April, and May. Okay, all the way from, let me say, January. You can see it's been on an uptrend. Okay, that's exactly what it is saying. It's been on uptrend ever since that period. Look at this. Okay, ever since that period. Right now, it sags. Okay, it sags. All right. So, and at this level, it kind of continues the bullish trend. Okay, at this level. Okay, but right now it sags. So that is correct. Then you don't look at this. What is this? So look at this. The Bitcoin slipped back Monday after climbing. Okay, you can know that you are aware that on Monday Bitcoin actually dipped back to 27,000. Okay, on Monday. Okay, so that is right, and that is an evidence that Bitcoin actually sagged. Okay, so on Monday it was 27,000. Today it's trading at 28,000 plus, almost 29,000 right now. Okay, so the token slid as much as 4.5% and was trading at 28,221. Okay, at this time PM in New York. Okay, smaller coins such as Hetas Man also retreated and did an index, of the top 100 digital assets. Okay, so Bitcoin 72% rebound in 2023 from last year's crypto routes. Okay, are stalled around the 30,000 level as traders await further catalyst. The rally has been fueled by bets on an eventual Federal Reserve pivot to looser monetary policy, as well as argument that the US banking crisis eroded confidence in the fiat currency. Yeah, that is right. Okay, people began to lose trust in US banks, in the US economy, and so these are one of those things that actually fueled the Bitcoin rally. Okay, in recent months. So First Republic Bank is at the center of the latest leg of the banking wars in the US. JP Morgan Chase and Co. won the bidding to acquire the bank in an emergency government-led intervention after private rescue effort failed to fill a hole in a troubled lender's balance. Okay, so this is FRP, the First Republic Bank. They are at the brink of collapse. Okay, and they'll probably be acquired by JP Morgan Chase. Okay, so the market is very jittery as it waits to see what happens to First Republic. Okay, that is going to be a big news for Bitcoin. Okay, so on Monday, Bitcoin will wobble. So Bitcoin first month stretch to gain through April ranks as the longest since a 6 month advance in March 2021. Okay, so in the past decade, 4 month winning runs in Bitcoin foreshadowed an average surge of 260% over the subsequent year. Data compiled by Bloomberg showed that. Okay, so you can see that streaker, you can see that data right there. Okay, so Bitcoin and the wider crypto world, they been exposed to a variety of risks, okay, such as US crackdown on the sector. It's also, US and China crackdown affects the crypto market a whole lot, right? Okay, so it affects the whole lot. So and the possibility of traders paring back expectations that monetary policy would become less restrictive later this year. So for now, the Fed is expected to boost interest rates by another quarter percentage point on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, to damp inflation even as economists risk view. So if you go to Forex Factory, okay, if you go to forexfactory.com, you can see evidence of that news. So today, these are the news that will affect the USD. Okay, we have ADP non-farm employment change, we have final service, ISM service, PMI, and we have FOMC statements. Okay, that's later today. That will be about 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, and also 7 p.m. the London time. Okay, so that is a Federal Reserve rates. FOMC press conference. All of this will happen today. So there is a lot of news that will actually influence the price movement of the dollar index. Okay, even the dollar strength today. Okay, then also tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Okay, I think today is Wednesday, right? Yeah, that's correct. All right. So you look at this. Unemployment claims is also on tomorrow. That's unemployment claim. Okay, and that news will affect USD. Okay, unemployment claim. Natural gas storage is not actually it's not an high impact news. Okay, so we have a preliminary of non-farm on Friday. Okay, usually on Friday they have NFP, which is the non-farm employment change. Unemployment rate to be announced. Okay, so that's for Canadian dollar, not US dollar fluency. So and also around the same time, unemployment rate data will be released. Okay, for both US dollar and Canadian dollar. That's going to be massive. So these are news that will affect, that also have some level of impact in the crypto market at the same time. Okay, so you've got to brace up. So another platform that I like to check out for news is Bitcoin news. Okay, so news.bitcoin. Okay, so let's have a quick look on the news, the latest news one. Okay, let's have a quick look at the latest news one. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm going to cancel this. You can see a couple of news on their home page 10 hours ago, 8 hours ago. You can see Coinbase launches international exchange for Bitcoin and Ether perpetual futures. Okay, it can be US exchange, obviously. Okay, so but Kiyosaki says regional banks are being wiped out, calls Fed criminal. Wow, so Crypto.com unveils Ami, an AI-powered company for crypto enthusiasts. Okay, unveils Ami, AI-powered company for crypto enthusiasts. Okay, let's see how that will look like. Really, I'm interested in that. Okay, so economist Peter Schiff warns of stagflation in US economy, says it's going to get worse. Okay, stagflation. Okay, there's no inflation and there is no deflation. We're just on the same point, moving about the same point. Okay, so Bitcoin hash rate reaches all-time high of 491, exahash per second, not even tera, exahash per second, close to half a zeta hash as network press for next difficulty change, right? So Satoshi's last email make it about the open source project. Economists predict catastrophic fall in US labor standards. Okay, FRC shares plummet and more. Okay, so all of this scary news are pointing, they are all pointing to the fact that, okay, the US economy may actually be getting weaker, and the US will actually be losing, the US dollar may actually be losing relevance in the global stage, okay. So Syria urges BRICS to lead in ditching dollar, okay, talks yuan adoption with China, all right, yuan adoption with China, okay. So, uh, for some one time now, okay, most of the BRIC nations, they actually adopt the Chinese currency, at the expense of the US dollar, okay, for international settlement before they kind of settle down and talk about their whole currency that will unite all the BRICS countries together. So Russian official expert agreement on BRICS currency this year. Okay, so BRICS to promote national currency before issue common one. Okay, yeah, exactly. Yeah, I read that news some days ago. They were actually focus on promoting their regional currencies before talking about the future common currency that will unite them together. Just the way you unite the European countries together. Okay, so they're probably going to be having the currency that will unite all the BRICS nations together. All right. So I was able to jump in on dots yesterday, the poker dot yesterday, because I considered that price a reasonable price to jump into the project. Okay. So the biggest mover, the dot drops to 6 week low on Tuesday, okay, which was yesterday. The Cosmos based DeFi protocol loans raised 2.5 million to build the first cross chain DeFi list. Okay, so that would be exciting things to see. The Ethereum Chapella upgrade set the stage in the latest Probate Global Trading Contest. Okay, so we have a Morgan Stanley strategist once of equity sell-off in response to hawkish Fed. Okay, that news actually came out yesterday, and it influenced the price of gold in the international market. Okay, because of this news, gold actually jumped all the way from um, 1982 all the way to 2018. Okay, so that was the news that actually pumped up the entire gold and silver market because the money is actually mostly to the risk on assets than to the risk of assets. Okay. And as you know, that gold is one of the risk of assets in the world right now. Okay. So we have a Bitcoin, Ethereum, that kind of technical analysis. Okay. So this is an analysis that you may be interested in if you want. All right. So India, Russia movement system integration in face of US sanctions. Okay. So the US sanction is able to take effect because of the dependence of several countries on the US dollar. Okay. So and the moment they're able to move away from that, then the sanction will be less effective. All right. So that's one thing you have to pay attention into. Many thanks, guys. I can see the likes, the pump, the like emoji. I can see your engagement. Okay. I love that and I appreciate that a whole lot. Okay. So this is like 1.8K likes and emojis. So come on guys, get used to like 2,000 or probably like 5,000 emojis. Okay, so if you've actually get something from today's live stream, come on, let me know in the comment box. Okay, I would like to engage you. I would like to know your thoughts about all of this news. Okay, which of these news uh, is going to affect you? Okay, and also if you have a crypto project, if you have a crypto project that you're working on, I really encourage that you apply for the first edition of the crypto version of Shark Tank. Okay, of the crypto version of Shark Tank. So try and apply for that. You might be a lucky winner. Okay, and you're gonna be flying all the way to the country where the event will hold, and you have kind of special treatment. Then aside that, you'll be able to represent your company or your crypto project. And that will give you a whole lot of visibility. Okay, you don't have to win. Okay, even if you don't win, okay, the program will give you a whole lot of visibility. You're going to make it to the news, to Coinmarketcap news, to Bitcoin.com news, Coindex platforms. Okay, so that visibility is going to be a win-win for you. Okay, it's going to be a win for you. So go right now and apply for that opportunity. Okay, as you can see, the link to apply for this is right here. Okay, is right here in the channel. Click on the channel. Okay, and again, all you have to do basically is to search for that channel. Okay, search for it. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Okay, so let's have a look at more events. Where is it? Analysts consider US national security policy a pretext to establish trade sanctions against other countries. Okay, trade sanctions against other countries. All right, so that's one thing. Okay, and if you look here, Nigeria is another country who has attempted digital currency with limited success. Okay, so the CBN kind of had a good intention. Okay, that's exactly what I heard. Okay, a good intention about the Naira digital currency. But unfortunately, the masses, the people that were supposed to use the product, they don't trust the government enough. Okay, so for that reason, it met a lot of resistance from the people. Okay, that's exactly what happened to that. So, how can Fed says, Steinberg may have nothing left after stealing more than a trillion? Okay, Syria, are we pretending that they have influence? Okay, all right. So, these are a bunch of news, okay, that can actually impact you today. Okay, so these are the news right here. Okay, so these are the news right here. If there are other news, okay, trust me, I'll try and bring it on. Okay, look at this. Okay, new DeFi protocol Forge.sx offers stocks and other synthetic assets on blockchain ecosystem. Okay, so those are going to be tokenized stocks. Okay, those assets will derive their value from the real world stock markets. Okay, like Apple, like Facebook, uh, like Google, okay, and the rest of them. Like MicroStrategy and the rest of them, Tesla, you know. So those tokens will derive their value from those assets, right? So when I keep on pumping the like emoji, I like that. It shows that you guys are here. You are listening. You are paying attention to the live stream. Okay, so that's quite important. Right. So one of these news analysis, I hope you enjoy them. I hope they make sense to you. Okay. I hope they're going to affect the way you perceive the markets today. All right. So, let's have a look at the upcoming event also, probably in the crypto world. So, have a look at CoinMarketCap. CoinMarket calendar it used to be the best and the top platform for crypto. So, they have my immediate upgrade on this. Okay. PalmPay. Okay. They're going to be listing here. Avalanche Summit is coming up very soon. Okay, BKEX listing. We have L1 blockchain mainnet, which is the Melt. We have Melt Dark Wallet launch. We have a YouTube live amount with Youth App. Secrets says nothing. Okay, a night of Web3 privacy with secrets. Okay, so we have virtual crypto cards. Okay, that's that. Okay, so maybe Dogecoin will issue a virtual crypto card probably. You have a Fabric airdrop. Join the Meta Fabric platform and uh, claim Fabric token pool. Okay, they have a kind of airdrop right there. Okay, so you have a mobile wallet upgrade. Okay, your VChain community, Bitmark listing for Dodge CEO. Okay, AMA with Binance. Okay, so talk about the Polymesh. Okay, Sweetpad IDO whitelist heads. Okay, that's DAO maker, any access patch. Okay, AMA with Binance, which is the Flux. Another AMA by Boa. Okay, so if you want to have access to more events, okay, you can see KuCoin listing on one ledger. Okay, Redneck, Bitmark listing, okay, streaming sound upgrade, weekly easy coin bond rather. Okay, let's take a snapshot by World Mobile Token, the BMC. So multi-chain bridge launch, Dell, BNB, AMA, Okay, Anna with Obi Global. Okay, so now slot we are having Anna session with Obi Global. Okay, the network upgrade eCash. Okay, eCash we have a network upgrade. So V2 token drop, which is Gala. Okay, so Gala we should V2 withdrawal if you want to all Gala orders as a new pro Gala games ecosystem. Okay, so that's not bad. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, so Gala event V2 launch. Okay, alright. Then X Launchpad, that's the multiverse. Okay, EGLD. Okay, so Maya Launchpad becomes X Launchpad. That's not bad. That's just a change of name. So publish beta launch the DSL protocol. Okay, so Bitcoin builders, dinner events, click on orders. Okay, so if this is real, click on real. If it's fake, let them know it's fake. Okay, so that's how to help them to sanitize the system, right? Okay, so that's it from the crypto world. I hope that all of these news, all of these events will actually help you to become a better trader, okay, to become a better investor in the crypto world. Okay, so that's my belief. So guys, don't forget to follow me, okay, hit the plus follow button, okay, and let's make it to 3,500 followers right there. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm going to be seeing you tomorrow for another exciting round, okay, of updates. Okay, preferably it's going to be the technical analysis live stream. Okay, that will be like tomorrow. Okay, so we have yandex.ru is here. We have t@gmail.com. Okay, so we have a couple of friends right here today. Okay, so thanks guys for this opportunity. Thanks for being a part of this live stream. So have a nice day. Bye for now. Okay, so before I go, I'd like to invite you to the Crypto channel on YouTube. Okay, so you just go to YouTube now because this is where I post a lot of updates about my trades and what I'm doing. Okay, so go to YouTube right now and search for Crypto News channel. Okay, then hit the enter button. When you hit the enter button, then you see the channel with 1.84 thousand subscribers. Okay, click on this logo. Okay, then to take you right there to the channel. Okay, so you can see all bunch of videos on analysis, reviews, price predictions, and all that. Okay, so all of those videos are right here for your own purpose. Okay, so kindly go to YouTube now on your mobile phone, search for the YouTube channel, and subscribe and turn on notification. Okay, that's how to be a part of um, the community. Okay, that's it, guys. So have a nice day and bye for now.